Hello everyone and welcome to Tathastu ICS. My name is Trija Garg and I am your economy faculty. Today we will be learning the most confusing and the most important money market instruments. Let us first understand the financial market. अब now you know we are saying market and market किससे बनता है? Market आपका बनता है buyers से और sellers से. So अगर market buyers और sellers से बन रहा है तो what are they buying? They are buying money as a good. Now, who will be the sellers? Who have surplus money or they have excess money and they need money. So, this financial market is acting as an intermediary between buyers and sellers जो दोनों को मिलवा रहा है. जिसके पास एक्स्ट्रा पैसा है वो दे दे और जिसको चाहिए वो ले ले. Okay, and both are getting benefited. How? Sellers are earning money because they are kind of investing money here and the buyers who need money they are getting money. So दोनों का पूरा हो रहा है. Okay, दोनों का requirements भी पूरा हो रहा है. So this is the financial market. Now the financial market is divided into two parts. We have money market and we have capital market. When I say money market, I am talking about the short term. अब कुछ needs हमारी short होती है, short term के लिए होती है, कुछ needs हमारी long term के लिए होती है, right? तो when we need money for the short term, 364 days or less than that, we say we go to the money market. If we want more than 364 days, 365 days or 365 days or more than that, then we go to the capital market. In today's lesson, we will be understanding there are more tools but three tools of the money market. Okay, यानी कि वो 364 days से कम के लिए है. So we have commercial paper, commercial bill and certificate of deposit. Let us begin with certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit. This is also known as CD. Okay, these are issued by banks. When basically banks need money, they go to the money market. They will get money from the money market. कोई भी खरीद लेगा, लेकिन बदले में क्या करना पड़ेगा banks को? The banks will have to issue the security which is known as CD, and in return they will get basically money that they need for short time period. इसका period क्या होता है? 7 days से 364 days तक. Okay, उसके अलावा the minimum amount for CD is basically 1 lakh rupees and the money will be borrowed in the multiples of 1 lakh, meaning 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Okay, तो इसी के multiples चलेंगे. Now this is the bank. तो आप बैंक गए, आपने अपना पैसा डिपॉजिट किया in the money market and in return you will get a certificate of deposit. Okay, this is for 7 days to 364 days and obviously you will earn some amount of interest on it. Okay, then we have commercial bill. To understand commercial bill, understand that there are a lot of participants in the money market. We have RBI on behalf of the government who participates in the money market. Then we have banks. We have NBFCs, that is non-banking financial companies or financial institutions you can say. Then we have individuals and then we have top rated companies. Okay, तो अब जब हम बात करते हैं financial bill की, so let's say there are two companies. We have A company and we have B company. A company is a small company. Okay, अब क्या होता है इसमें? Basically A company normally gives raw materials to B company. Raw materials which are used to produce goods and services by the B company. Now the B company always say that I will pay after 2 months. Okay. Now because A company is a small company, they require money right now because using that money only they can produce more raw materials. So what will they do is they will go to a bank and they will ask the bank for a loan. That please give me a loan. The banks will say, the bank manager will say that instead of getting a loan, do one thing. Just on a piece of paper, which is known as bill of exchange in banking terms, get a signature of company B saying that they owe you this much amount of money and they will pay after 2 months, and submit that paper to us. Okay, so what he will do is he will go, both of them will sign on this paper which is known as bill of exchange, submit to the bank. Okay, the bank will make a commercial bill out of it. अब बैंक के लिए क्या बन चुका है, वो सबमिट होने के बाद कमर्शियल बिल बन चुका है. ठीक है, अब क्या होगा, बैंक विल गिव ए द रुपीज विच बी ओज टू ए कंपनी. ठीक है, इसको पैसा मिल गया है, अब ये कमर्शियल बिल है. अब व्हाट बी कंपनी विल डू इज, बी कंपनी विल पे आफ्टर 2 months टू द बैंक. Okay, they will pay the money that they owed to A instead of A, because A got the money from the bank. They will pay the money to the bank. It is known as commercial bill. अब इसको कौन इशू करता है, इसको इशू करते हैं basically top rated companies. It can be issued by all India financial institutions also, mutual funds also, banks also. Okay, now we have commercial paper now. Okay, it is also known as CP. Commercial papers are basically issued by companies. So what happens is, whenever they need money, they will issue the commercial paper in the money market, and in return they will get money. That is the money that they required. Again, the duration is 7 days to 364 days. Minimum amount rupees 5 lakhs, and then multiples of 1 lakh. Basically multiples of 1 lakh. Basically 5 lakhs तो minimum हो गया, फिर 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 21 lakhs, ऐसे आप उठा सकते हो पैसा. So this is issued by companies, that is commercial paper. Okay, in the money market for 7 days to 364 days पैसा उठा रहे हैं. Okay, interest मिलता है इस पे. इसको आप you can also trade all of this in the secondary market as well. Okay, and buy and sell it. Then commercial bills, it is issued by the bank. Basically कंपनी ने आके दिया, लेकिन बैंक्स इशू करते हैं. इट कैन बी इशूड बाय म्यूचुअल फंड्स, इट कैन बी इशूड बाय ऑल इंडिया फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस आल्सो. ओके, एंड देन वी हैव certificate of deposit. This is issued by the banks, and it is also issued by all India financial institutions. Okay, like ITB, we have we have Exim banks. Okay, ये लेकिन जब करते हैं तो इनको अलाउ किया हुआ है 1 से 3 years तक के लिए. Okay, they can issue the certificate of deposit for from 1 year to 3 years, but again it will come under money market instrument only. Okay, now so these are the 3 commercial paper, commercial bill and certificate of deposit, which are used to basically raise money or borrow money from the money market for a short period of time, which is equal to or less than 364 days. All 3 of them are from 7 days till 364 days. सबका अपना अलग अलग मोटिव है, सबका अपना इशू जो करते हैं वो अलग हो जाते हैं. That is something that you need to remember. Another thing that you need to remember is the participants in money market, basically your financial market, you can say we have RBI on behalf of the government. अगर गवर्नमेंट को पैसा चाहिए तो RBI will issue government securities from their behalf. Okay, then we have banks. We have all scheduled commercial banks and commercial banks also, excluding regional rural banks. Okay, regional rural banks. Then we have all India financial institutions. We have NBFCs. ओके, दैट इज ये बैंक्स में ही आ गया. वैसे NBFCs आ चुका है हमारा, नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज. ओके, देन वी हैव इंडिविजुअल्स लाइक अस विच आर नोन एज रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स, एंड वी हैव टॉप रेटेड कंपनीज. टॉप रेटेड मीन्स उनका क्रेडिट रेटिंग अच्छा होगा. ओके, सो all of them can participate in the money market. Now something another thing that you need to remember is money market में जब भी borrowing और lending होती है तो हिसाब से होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब RBI अगर बोरो कर रहा है ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, दे विल बोरो फ्रॉम द बैंक्स. ओके, नॉट फ्रॉम द इंडिविजुअल्स और कॉर्पोरेट्स. ओके, दे विल डील विद द बैंक्स ओनली. नाउ सपोज द कॉर्पोरेट्स आर बेसिकली रेजिंग मनी, दे विल डील विद द इंडिविजुअल्स. ओके, सो ऐसा होता है, अपने हिसाब के अपने स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग जो है वो डीलिंग करते हैं बोरिंग और लेंडिंग की. सो दिस इज मनी मार्केट फॉर यू. दे आर मोर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, एंड इन द ऑनगोइंग सीरीज वी विल लर्न अबाउट ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द मनी मार्केट. Thank you so much.